Hello everyone. Starting with the first lecture of this section. In this lecture, I will be showing you a command using which you can get faster Nmap scan results. Using this command, you can specify Nmap to scan only 100 most commonly used ports. Now, by default, Nmap will scan 1000 ports. So, this will save our time and give us the faster results. This command is known as fast scan, and let me show you the command. Open your terminal and type this command, that is nmap space minus sign capital F space, sorry, here the minus sign capital F space target IP. So you can see the scan results. It says 92 ports are closed and the others are shown here. Now we can also use this command with the combination of advanced scanning commands. Let me show you an example with the finscan. Let me clear this out, and command will be nmap space minus sign small s capital F for the finscan space minus sign capital F for the fast scan space the target IP. So as you can see the difference of the scan results, it has performed the finscan and it has given us the faster results of the top 100 most commonly used ports.